Hello and welcome back again to Crypto Rising Star. For today's video, we're going to talk about the ATS funded or the trading challenge, guys. But before that, let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment and review purpose only. So always do your own research, guys. Okay, so this is the platform, guys, the ATS funded. How it works: don't risk your money, get funded fast, guys. The first prop firm to pay you a monthly salary, guys. Choose your challenge. For example, you have 10 to 25, 50, 100 to 200k challenge, guys. Whatever suitable for you. But before that, you must see the trader's payout right here to be able to satisfy you guys before entering this application. Okay, so unlock a new level of trading. You can start a challenge, choose a funding options tailored to your and improve your consistency through a fair evaluation. Number 2 is funded pays. After completing the challenge, you unlock a funded account and keep up to 95% of all profits you generate. So get your payout, withdraw your profits starting 7 days after your first trade with an instant payout. So why trader choose ATS funded? So powered by Pure Market and trade 200 plus crypto pairs, multi-market trading and flexible payout, guys. They have trade, get salary. Funded traders receive a fixed monthly retainer independent from profits, performance, or temporary drawdowns. Trade professionally with zero financial pressure, guys. Okay, so how you can get started? So click this one and then this will pop up and you can log in your account, guys. So choose your challenge. For example, one step, so 10k, guys. Pay with card or pay with crypto right here. Click that one. Okay, so confirm mo. You can pay 99 USD using USDC, USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum to get started here, guys, and get funded right away, guys. Okay, so you have challenge here, so you can view your challenge. Okay, so step 2, you can I have a 100k challenge right here. I can view the stats. Okay, starting balance is 100k, currently is 100k dollar, and the profit right now is 0%. Okay, but it will go profit after the challenge, guys. Okay, so portfolio. This is my portfolio, guys, with a step 2 100k challenge. Okay, you can see right here. You can also trade, guys. Okay, using a BTC USDT here. Okay, any coins is available: ETH, BNB, Sol, AV, or Algo, USDT, whatever coins that you are trading. They also have the leaderboard, challenge, and referral system right here, guys, at the platform. Make sure to choose your challenge, okay, that suits you, guys. Okay, you can have a 100k like me, okay, or the 50 or the 25k challenge, guys. Okay, they have a referral program right here if you want to earn from it and invite to your friends. Okay, ATS funded. Okay, guys, so this is the BTC trading here. You can trade the BTC and every coins that you needed, guys. Okay, so earn rewards for your performance. So estimate your profits for 100k, guys. I can profit up to 50% of 47,500 monthly, guys. Okay, stay connected with us. You can choose Twitter or Discord. Follow us on Twitter. Join ATS funded Discord for free, and live trading session and master classes available on the Discord channel. Here's some customer testimonials that you can read here at the website, guys. So again, what is prop trading? Since the past proprietary trading was limited to banks and large financial institutions using their own capital to generate returns, it has funded to use a modern model by providing virtual trading capital, letting you trade without risking your own funds while earning real payouts based on your performance. No capital at risk, access large accounts, safe and learning environment, guys. Also, they have the step 1 evaluation, earn as funded trader, and receive your payout easy as that, guys. They have platform, okay, ATS terminal. They also have the scaling plan, guys. Okay, the following table illustrates how account balance and risk parameters evolve once a trader passes the evaluation reaches 400 account allocation. So by merging 200,000 accounts and meets all requirements at the ATS scaling plan, guys. Okay, so this is the ATS funded account. Okay, guys, I think that's all about this tutorial and review of this platform, guys. They also have a frequently asked question here if you want to learn more about this platform. So again, this is Crypto Rising Star. Bye bye.